Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your HP OmniBook 7 Flip isn't turning on. So most commonly your device is not turning on simply because your battery is discharged, and we can easily check it simply by inserting the charging cable into one of the charging ports on the right edge of the laptop. And if you insert your cable into a charging port and you see that your charging LED indicator starts glowing amber, that means that your device is not fully charged. So usually if it's glowing amber color, that means that you can still launch it, and it can even have above 70% of battery charge, simply not charged to 100%. If it's fully charged, you will see the LED indicator glowing with white, and if it's not glowing at all, then it means that your device is not receiving any power at all. And you should take a look at your charging cable and your AC adapter in this case. So the original AC adapter looks like this, but of course the way it looks doesn't really matter. What matters is the connection quality, which you can check by looking at the cables itself, and also at the amount of watts that your AC adapter is capable to withhold. In my case, it's 65 watts, and this is the standard for this laptop. So if your AC adapter can deliver less than, well, not deliver, but can hold less than 65 watts of power, it's most probably not gonna be able to charge your device, or at least charge your device properly. Yeah, make sure that also that your AC adapter is connected to the power outlet that can deliver power, and if you can also just switch the power outlet for maybe the wall socket or for another power outlet, and then reconnect the cable to your PC, and should press the power button. If your device launches properly, you will see the power indicator glowing in the top right corner of your device's power button. And if your device starts to launch but then gets stuck on a boot logo, you can simply repeatedly click F11 button while launching it, which will redirect your device to the Windows recovery menu, where you can perform some troubleshooting options, like basically everything up to the factory reset operation of your device, which may help as a last resort. To navigate here, use basically all the arrow keys you have, and enter to select. So go to Troubleshoot, then you can either reset your PC right away or go to Advanced Options, and you can uninstall recent updates, you can perform the recovery, you can restore your system, or you can also start your Windows in the safe mode. If you go to Startup Settings, then restart your PC, and then select the safe mode, and then check whether your device launches in the safe mode. To launch the safe mode, you have to press 4 on the screen, and also to prevent getting BitLocker screen on your laptop during the usage of the recovery mode, check out the dedicated video on our channel, which is called how to enter recovery mode on this particular laptop. Or you can also just go to aka.ms/myrecoverykey website, where you can find all of the recovery keys for your Microsoft account. Now, if your device launches in the safe mode, then most probably some third-party application is causing your device to get stuck on a boot logo. And you can either uninstall recent updates using the previously mentioned recovery mode, or you can perform a factory reset operation there. And that's how you do it. Now, to restart your device back into the normal mode, go to Start menu, Power Options, and then Restart. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.